Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when our Wi-Fi is not showing in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us begin and let us open the device manager. So we can do that by making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to device manager option. Once you're in the device manager window, all you need to do is just to look for the network adapter. So this one, once found, please make a click on this arrow here. And since I am connected with a public network, thus I will be looking for the wireless option. So if in your case you're connected also with the Wi-Fi, then please click on this wireless option here. And then once you do that, please make a right click on update driver. And then please choose first the first option, search automatically for drivers. Once you click on that, and if it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then we can go back with the same window and then click on this browse my computer for drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers, and then if you see 2 to 3 more drivers here, all you need to do is just to click on that or try it one by one and then see whichever driver is working for you. Okay, so just click on that driver, click on next, and then it will be installed in your device. And the next thing we need to do is to run a command. So here in the Windows search tab, type cmd. So this is in case when the last or the first option is not working for you. I'm sorry, we will open the run window, so please type here run and then click on the open. So it will open the run window, and here we need to type ncpa.cpl. so this is not a case sensitive window, so we can do that with all caps letter. So please click on OK or enter once you're done typing. And once you do that, you will see here the network connections window. You will see this green icon with the network connection that you're connected with. So I am connected with the public Wi-Fi, thus I have here the green icon. Once selected, please make a right click and then click on disable Wi-Fi disable button here, and then it will disable your internet connection. And then please go back again with this window and click on the enable button. So once you have done that, just make a quick restart and then see if it's already working. So if it's still not working, then we can go with our settings. Please make a right click here in the Windows icon, go to settings option, and in the left pane you will see their network and internet connection or network and internet option. So please click on that, and we will look for advanced options here, advanced network settings. So please click on that, and then we will look for network reset. We can reset all network adapters to factory settings, so please click on that. And if you click on this reset now, this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So you might need to reinstall other networking software such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So please click on reset now. And then once you're done, we will run now the command prompt command. So please click or type cmd, and we will see here under best match the command prompt. Click on run as administrator, and here just click on yes to continue. Here we need to type ipconfig space /flushdns. It's ipconfig space /flushdns. Now click on enter OK. So successfully it has flushed the DNS solver cache. So now all we need to do is just make a quick restart with your device and then see if it's already working. So if it's still not working, then you can also try to Windows or to update your Windows. So go again to your settings and then click on this Windows update and see if there are already or if there are downloads or pending downloads that you need to do or you need to download and install in your device. Okay, so you can click this check for updates button here to check for updates. So once done, just make a quick restart with your device and then you're good to go. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye!